Hi, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about the recent change of Facebook. Facebook just announced that they're going to merge Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, and Instagram messages into one platform. Everything is going to be end-to-end encrypted. So what's going to happen and why this is important? So for me, this is a really great change. That means they basically take out 3 different platforms that had all the different unique back-end system and unify this. So you can write a message in WhatsApp and send that to someone who's on Facebook. You can send a message from Facebook to someone else on Instagram. You can send a message from Instagram to someone who's using WhatsApp. So everything becomes interconnected. But most importantly, that also means that the entire backend infrastructure is now open. So you can think about creating, in the past you might only be able to create Facebook Messenger bots. Now the same bot can also work on Instagram. The same bot can also work on WhatsApp. It's going to be amazing. And you don't have to think about, you don't have to ask someone, are you on WhatsApp? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Instagram? You just have to have one piece of information and then you can talk to people across different platforms. And that's really important. Just look at different countries. Some countries, the most popular messenger system is Facebook Messenger. In some other countries, it's WhatsApp. So it might be difficult to communicate from one country to another. Merging those platforms in the back end will make it one system. So now you don't have to think about it anymore. You just have to get one piece of content. It's going to be always the same unique piece of content. Someone has a Facebook username, which is connected to their Instagram username, which is connected to their phone number. So you can have either bit of information and you're going to be able to communicate with anyone on any platform. So I'm really looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to seeing more messenger bots on all the different platforms, of having like a unified inbox system, which makes it really great for companies to respond to customers who have questions. It doesn't matter anymore where they ask the questions, going to be all in one inbox, which makes it much more easier to maintain and to handle. So you don't have to have like one person like checking occasionally, did someone send something on Instagram? Did someone check the phone? Did someone send a message on WhatsApp? Did someone send me a message on Facebook? No, you have like one unique system. That's going to be really cool. I'm really looking forward to this change. Obviously, a lot of people are going to complain about this. They're going to have privacy concerns. Let me know, what do you think about the merger of Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, and WhatsApp Messenger? Do you looking forward to it? Do you think there's reason to concern? Are you worried? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure that you hit subscribe to get more marketing strategies and tactics that really work.